Good morning, children. Now, the next chapter in GK is chapter number 27, Wonders of the World. Yes, children, in this Wonders of the World clues is given to you. Apart from that, scrambled words are given to you, and you have to unscramble them to get the answer. The first is, which is the largest freshwater lake in the world? Yes, children, it is Baikal Lake. Baikal Lake. Which is the longest river in the world? It's River Nile. River Nile. In which continent would you find Lake Titicaca? South America. Which is the highest uninterrupted waterfall in the world? Angel Falls. Angel Falls. Which is the largest lake in Africa? It's Lake Victoria. Lake Victoria. In which country are the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats mountain ranges located? It's in India. Which is the longest river in Europe? Yes, River Volga. Which river flowing through India is also known as the Tsangpo? It's River Brahmaputra. Which island, which is not a continent, is the largest in the world? Yes, it is Greenland. Greenland. Which is the largest coral reef in the world? It is Great Barrier Reef. Great Barrier Reef. Now the next chapter is Mighty Mountains. In this chapter you will learn about the mountains. Which two countries of the world are connected by the Khyber Pass? Yes, it is Pakistan and Afghanistan. Name the highest mountain peak of South India. Anamoji. Which mountain range forms a natural boundary between Italy and Switzerland in Europe? It's the Alps. The Alps. Which is the highest mountain peak in Africa? Mount Kilimanjaro. Name the highest mountain range in the world. The Himalayas. In which country is the highest mountain peak of the world located? It's in Nepal. Which is the highest mountain peak in North America? Mount McKinley. Name the only active volcano in India. Barren Island. In which continent are the Andes Mountains located? South America. South America. The second highest peak of the world, K2, belongs to which mountain range? Karakoram Range. Karakoram Range. The highest mountain in Japan is also an active volcano. That is Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji. Which mountain range marks the traditional boundary between Asia and Europe? Ural Mountain Range. Ural Mountain Range. Yes, the next chapter is chapter number 29, Famous Cities on River Banks. Yes, children, in this you have to tell the following cities are located on which river bank. The first is New York. New York is on, any idea? Hudson. Next is Cairo. Cairo, Nile. Nile. Next, Guwahati. Guwahati is on Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra. Karachi. Karachi is on Lyri. Lyri. Next is Lucknow. Lucknow is on Gomti. Gomti. Next is Moscow. Moscow is on Moskva. Moskva. Next is Kanpur. Kanpur is on Ganga. Ganga. Kolkata. Yes, children, Kolkata is on Hooghly. Hooghly. Next is Baghdad. Baghdad is on Tigris. Tigris. Ahmedabad. Yes, children, you must be knowing this. Ahmedabad. Sabarmati. Sabarmati. Washington DC. Washington DC. Potomac. Potomac. Delhi. Delhi is on Yamuna. Yamuna. Next is Sydney. Sydney is on Hawkesbury. Next is London, very common, it's on Thames. Next is Paris, Seine. Yes children, in this chapter you have learned the cities which are situated on different rivers. Now the next chapter is chapter number 30, Great Rulers of the World. Yes children, in this chapter you will learn about the different rulers. The first one you can see is Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln was the 16th president of the, yes children, United States. He contributed profoundly towards ending the widespread slavery in America. The next picture you can see is Queen Elizabeth. Queen Elizabeth, I was a great ruler of, any idea? Elizabeth was of England and Ireland from 1558 onwards. She belonged to Tudor dynasty. Her reign is known as Elizabethan era. Next picture you can see is Queen Victoria. Queen Victoria ruled over the United Kingdom for almost 64 years from 1837 to 1901. During her reign, the British ruled over India and many other countries. The next picture you can see is Alexander the Great. Alexander the Great was the king of Macedonia. When he died at the young age of 33, he had conquered most of the Western world known in his time. Yes, the next picture, Augustus Caesar ruled as the emperor of Rome for almost 41 years. During his reign, he improved the infrastructure of military and reformed taxation process. The next is Ashoka the Great. Ashoka the Great was an Indian emperor of the Maurya dynasty who ruled almost all of the Indian subcontinent from c. 268 to 232 BCE. The next is Maharaja Ranjit Singh. He was the founder of Sikh Empire based on Punjab in the early half of the 19th century. He was a tolerant king who loved his subjects. Now the next is Napoleon Bonaparte was a French military leader who led several successful campaigns during the French Revolutionary Wars. Thank you children.